In this video, I'm going to show you the candlestick formation that will help you to understand the market direction. So let's start from DAX German 30. There's two scenarios where come to understand the candlestick formation. The first one is rejection and the second one is displacement. Rejection happening out of previous candle high or low, and displacement happening above the previous candle high or low. So for example, on this 4-hour candle, you see the 9 AM candle displacement, but right before the 9 AM candle displacement, we got this 5 AM candle reject out of previous candle low. So this show you that price aggressive rejection from the previous candle low, our target will be the previous candle high of this 1 AM Eastern Standard Time candle. If you went to 1 hour time frame, you can see the exact position on 1 hour time frame. This is exactly where 9 candle offering. This bearish candle is showing that price already start retracement into the key levels. The moment you come to 9 AM, you don't expect more deep retracement because we already got this retracement on 1 hour time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, we got this order block. Why this become order block? Price check previous candle low, which is a sell liquidity full, and with displacement above 1, 2, 3 consecutive time cross candle that reached the sell liquidity full right before we got this aggressive displacement high. So we got retracement all the way back to this 15-minute order blocks. I went straight into lower time frame to start looking for entry the moment I see price have this 15-minute order block. So in this chart, I found the 1-minute entry, but I missed the first chance short of delivery right after price aggressive displacement close above this high, which is before chance short of delivery inside this level. I made the first entry here. I found another entry. I use this FBG at the key level, 1-minute FBG as key level, and entry inside this chain sort of delivery again, which we call for fortune block, and target this range high. Recent high we got above. Just throw out trade. So if you want to learn more about this strategy, you can join the Infinity Forex Lifestyle. That's more to learn inside it. Break down another NASDAQ setup that I do still today, New York section. It's all frame based on the candlestick formation. We see reverse candle close above the 1 AM Eastern Standard Time candle. So my expectation for this as that 9 candle to continue displacement high. In this case, I found the 15-minute FBG. So why this 15 minutes is so crucial, especially on 4-hour candlestick formation? Because 15 minutes is the best time frame to look for key level on lower time frame. So you got this 15-minute FBG, 3-minute chance trade of the level. The moment price offering at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, we got retracement all the way back to this 15-minute FBG. We got chance trade of delivery above, and price retracement. I did not wait for price to retest this chance of delivery before I enter this trade. I already entered above. So you see price start moving higher and really decline all the way to retest this chance of delivery and move higher. It is painful, sort of. Why? Because price keep pumping higher after I took my 2-hour base hit. Another setup on Japanese Nikkei thing, which is currently on this 2-hour trade. The formation still happening built on 4-hour time frame. You see, the 4-hour time frame price close above the 1 AM Eastern Standard Time candle. So my expectation for 9 AM candle to continue displacement high. So I went straight into lower time frame. In this case, I found another 15-minute FBG. We got a recent 15-minute FBG right after price offering. Price offering inside this 15-minute FBG and 3-minute chance of delivery. Let's see. Price aggressively displacement and close above this 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive down cross candles that hit this 15-minute FBG and close above this swing point. So I put my entry inside this string for receive price, leave it retest into this high, previous high. I retest this high. First I'm moving high. It is two outlet. You can tell the execution, so it's not high inside BS that you see most people do. So it is proving method that work day in, day out. You see, the candlestick formation is the most important thing you can ever find in your trading zone. Because if you understand, your price close above, it show you that market displacement may continue to displacement. If price close below market rejection and may continue to reject at that level. So without further ado, I hope you find value in this video. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down.